Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Good. We are going to start. Yesterday I told you you have to make collage, correct or not? Collage of any one cricketer which you like the most, okay? Your favorite cricketer. But then only Saisha has completed it, okay? She had sent photo of Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. She made collage on a big piece of paper, and on that collage she had pasted photos of Sachin Tendulkar. And information of Sachin Tendulkar is also given on the page. Okay, fine. I told you to complete. I told you to prepare collage and send photos on WhatsApp group. But then many of you have not sent. Some of them they have sent. I don't know why. Rest of the students have not done it. But now let us start with new lesson. Lesson number 16. No formalities, please. These are three words which we use in English. No. No means what? You say I know. मला माहित आहे. Okay. Do you know this? Do you know that? Okay. Understand. Meaning of this word is what? Understand. So no means what? To understand. Formalities means what? There are some formalities which we have to follow. एक प्रथा असती जी आपण follow करतो. कोणती प्रथा असती? For example, when you come in school, at that time you wish your teachers good morning sir, good morning madam. Then if you what we call, if you sit for lunch break, that time you say prayer, correct? When there is when the bell rings, at that time only you come outside of the class. These are some formalities which you have to follow in the school as well as in society. If teacher enters your classroom, what you do? You wish your teacher good morning sir, good afternoon sir, good evening sir. These are what some formalities which we do. एक प्रथा असती ती जी आपण करतो. And please, please is a magic word. Please is a magic word which we use many times, correct or not? Please is the magic word which we use so many times. Welcome, excuse me, sorry, please. These are some magic words which we use, and this magic words helps us to have good relation with others, right? So let us start with lesson number 16, part 1. Part 1 is lesson number 16, part 2 is lesson number 17. The students of class 4th greeted their teacher, Mrs. Desai, before they sat down. It was time for their English lesson. Shall we bring out our Balbharti textbook, teacher? Asked Shruti. Not now, said the teacher. We are going to learn letter writing today. Now here Shruti is saying that Mrs. Desai enters class 4th. She is English teacher of class 4th, and then as soon as she comes in the class, everyone gets up and it was time for their English lesson. Shall we bring out our Balbharti textbooks? Shruti is asking their English teacher that should we remove our Balbharti textbooks? So Shruti is saying that Mrs. Desai is saying them, not now. Wait, today we are going to learn how to write letter. Okay, letter writing we are going to study. The students were all ears now. They were surprised to hear something. Okay, here it is. Not now, said the teacher. We are going to learn letter writing today. Some special types of letters. Come here. Javed and Nisha, please distribute these notebooks. And while they give out the books, continued Mrs. Desai, let me give you some good news. The students were all ears now. The teacher announced with a smile, now arrivals in the library and plenty of them. New arrivals in the library and plenty of them. Story books of every kind, informative books with lovely pictures, books of puzzles, jokes, all have been displayed in the library, so you will know which ones to ask for the next time you are in the library. Oh, lovely. I can hardly wait. Were some of the eager responses to this piece of news? All were excited except one. Now here it is told that when Mrs. Desai told that there is a huge collection of books which has come in the library, and you can go in the library during library period. You can read library new books, puzzle books, jokes books, informative books are there, general knowledge questions and answers book is there, geography book, information about your earth, space, all types of books are there in library. You can go and read. So all were happy, everyone responded, only leaving one child. What's the use? Complained Felix. Felix is the name of a boy. He said, what's the use? We have only one library period in a week and hardly for half an hour too. What he is saying, that Felix is saying that we have only one period of library, that is of half an hour, hardly half an hour, and what we will do in that half an hour, correct or not? Then just when the story gets interest, we have only one library period in a week and hardly for half an hour too. Just when the story gets interesting, we have to leave the book and go back to class. Now Varsha joined in to say, for 2 weeks I have been waiting to know what happened to the Pied Piper of Hamelin. There was a holiday last Thursday and we missed the library period. Mrs. Desai realized that what her students said was perfectly true. She decided to request the principal to allow a home issue facility for class 4th. After all, they were big enough to look after the books they took home. Now here it is told that class 4 students said, Felix said that we have only one period in the week, that is on Thursday, and then that period is only half an hour. If we are going to read one story and if that story is of 4 to 5 pages, in half an hour we can read only 2 or 3 pages and then half story remains as it is. That book we have to keep in the library and go out, and then when we get chance to read that book next week Thursday. And if any festivals will be there or any national holiday will be there on next Thursday, we will not able to read library book. So means that week also went. Then again next week we will have to wait for next week. So who said? Varsha said that Varsha said that for 2 weeks now, last Thursday there was a holiday, because of that we could not have library period, and now this Thursday we are going to read and that is only half an hour. So Mrs. Desai decided that we will write a letter to the principal, and when Mrs. Desai said that we are going to write letter to the principal, everyone was happy and she told them before only, today we are going to learn letter writing. Okay, so what happens further? Hey, wait. Though Mrs. Desai realized that what her students said was perfectly true, she decided to request the principal to allow home issue facilities for class 4th. After all, they were big enough. Now she realized that what her students said and she decided to request. She went to request principal that 4th standard students are quite big. Please allow them to take books at home for a week so that it will benefit them in reading books. After going home they can do their homework, and when in meanwhile or when they will have time, what they will able to do, they will able to read library book properly, and it will benefit them, because books in the library are bought for whom? Books in the library are bought for students, not only for showcase. Okay, not to only put it on shelves and look at towards them. Okay, then what happens further? Hey, wait. Though Mrs. Desai, there is a better way to do it. Why not let the students themselves write a letter of request to the principal? After all, that was what she had planned to teach that day, how to write polite formal letters. Now students are saying, hey, wait, Mrs. Desai decided that she is going to teach us letter writing, then why cannot we write polite and formal letter to the principal? Okay, so turn your page, on page number 36 something is given. What an opportunity, a good subject for a formal letter, and of course a real situation would make the learning more effective and interesting. When Mrs. Desai suggested this to her class, they were very excited. What Mrs. Desai said that anyways I was going to teach you formal letter writing, I was going to teach you informal letter writing. Now why can't we do this? Now only I will teach you how to write formal letters. So then she tells students that come on, let us learn how to write formal letter. Okay, letter. So then Without losing much time, Mrs. Desai began to teach her class how to write formal letter. The sender's address and the date should be written in upper right corner of the page, she taught. Now where will be address of sender will come? The address of sender will come on the upper right side. Understood? This is here. The sender's address and date should be written in upper right corner of the page. If this is page, who is sending letter, his address and date should come over here. Okay, now to whom we are sending, that should come here. Receiver's name, okay, whose name should come over here. Here sender's name should come and here receiver's name should come, correct? And after that there should be one polite line over here. What should be there? Request you can say, or then what we call subject, it is called subject of a letter. What is reason behind sending letter? Subject of the letter should come over here, and then letter writing will start downside. Okay, this type of letter writing is known as formal letter. Tomorrow with example, I will take example of any one child. For example, Nitika Dange or Saisha Dange, Shresh Dabade. There are many students in 4th standard, correct? Ajinkya Dabade. Come on, tell. Virajvani is there. You have to write down your own address, okay? The students, those who do regularly, Ranmale, Saish is there, Palak is there. Correct or not? You can do what? You have to write down your own address over here. Now here whose address will come? To the principal of our school. Then subject, what is reason? Issuing books at home, that will be subject over here, and then letter writing downside. Okay, that I will teach you in tomorrow's period. This much is enough, I think so, for today. I will explain in detail how to write letter. Okay, last year Dange, Rajwardhan, Vivek Dange, they had written letter to Khadange sir. The letter writing which was taught by me to them, they took help of that letter and they wrote letter to Khadange sir. They wanted, they had a request to celebrate birthday of one teacher in the classroom. So they wrote formal letter to Khadange sir, and sir was very happy. So you have to also learn how to write formal letter. Okay, that I will teach you tomorrow. Thank you.